The Larson Electronics extra low profile explosion proof light fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. This explosion-proof LED light fixture has a T6 temperature rating and is ideal for applications such as paint spray booths, oil rigs, offshore applications, petrochemical, manufacturing, chemical storage, water treatment centers, and food processing plants. This light fixture is equipped with terminal strips for wiring and features an extra low-profile surface mount bracket that allows it to be installed virtually flush with the mounting surface. This Class 1 and 2 light offers 13,520 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 104 watts.
At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.